In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Redbubble. If you are an artist, illustrator, graphic designer, or someone interested in earning money from creative work, Redbubble is a great platform to begin your print-on-demand journey. It allows you to upload your artwork and sell it on products like t-shirts, stickers, hats, mugs, phone cases, and much more. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your shop and preparing your account so you can start selling your designs to customers around the world. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Redbubble website. If you already have an account, simply sign in using your account credentials. If you are new to the platform, create an account by registering with your email address and setting up your artist profile. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon located near the top corner of the screen and select the option labeled Sell Your Art. This will take you to your creator dashboard where you will complete the main setup process for your Redbubble shop. The first part involves creating products. Click on Add New Work to begin uploading your artwork. You can either upload a completely new design or duplicate an existing listing if you want to create a variation. After selecting your artwork file, wait for it to finish uploading to the platform. Next, provide important details for your design. Add a title that clearly describes your artwork and catches attention, then enter relevant tags so customers can discover your work through searches. You should also include a short description that explains your design or gives additional context to potential buyers. Once those details are added, Redbubble will automatically generate previews of your artwork on various products such as shirts, hats, stickers, and more. Review the product previews carefully and adjust the image placement if needed so your artwork looks properly aligned. You can also choose which products you want to enable or disable depending on your preferences. After reviewing everything, agree to the platform's user agreement and save your work. Your design will then be processed and added to your store. The next step is setting up your shop profile. Upload a profile picture, add a cover image, and write a short bio to introduce yourself and your brand. You can also connect your social media accounts to help buyers learn more about your work and follow your creative journey. Finally, go to the Payments section to complete your payout setup. Enter your required payment information, choose your preferred currency, and save your details so you can receive earnings from your sales. Once everything is completed, your Redbubble shop will officially be ready, and you can begin selling your artwork to customers globally. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.